Welcome to the LMS Dashboard of AlkemyEdtech, your personalized platform designed to support and accelerate your learning journey. Once you log in, you can access all your enrolled courses from the homepage and easily resume where you left off. Each course is structured into organized modules such as Advanced Performance Marketing, Resources, Knowledge Base, Assignments, Quizzes, and the Capstone Project, ensuring a smooth progression from basics to advanced strategies. For strengthening your fundamentals, the Knowledge Base section offers in-depth performance marketing videos that clearly explain core concepts, key terms, platform structures, and essential metrics. This helps you understand the what and why before moving into practical implementation. The Resources section provides additional materials like Google Ads, LinkedIn marketing, and interview preparation content to enhance both your technical skills and career readiness. With structured lessons, practical assignments, quizzes, and a real-world capstone project, AlkemyEdtech ensures you gain not just knowledge, but job-ready expertise. Start exploring your dashboard today and take the next step toward becoming an industry-ready performance marketer.